Hey, what's up guys? So if you decide to take apart your Glock magazine, this is for a Glock 42. So the way you do it, you need the special tool. You get the tool and you have that little pinhole right there. I thought this tool was not so good at once when I was trying to buy it, but it works so good. So you got your mag and you have your tool. Make sure you put your finger right here, because if you pull too much, maybe the spring can come out. You push that in, and now push down, okay? So you get it out, and you see it slides just a little bit. So if you decide to clean your magazine when you're done shooting some few rounds, this is the best thing to do. Clean up your mags. So once you get that, just make sure, like I said, keep your finger here, slide it out slowly, so your top is off. Once you get that off, you have a little cover. It's about right here. And then you have your spring. You take it out. So your mag is pretty much empty already. Clean it up the best you can. Just make sure you put it the same way it came out. So put it back together. Slide it in. You know, it's gonna stop right there, obviously. You push your spring down. You make sure you get your cover. You push your spring down. Get your cover, put it on top, okay? You hold it in, get your slider, slide it in, there you go. So now your magazine, it's ready to go. Nice. So just to give it a try, look at that, very nice. So it's good to go. Awesome. This tool is amazing. So if you do get it and you're having a little trouble, believe me, do what I did in the video and you'll make it through. Awesome tool. Well, that's it.